Welcome to W Center with Electrical Channel. Yeah, so uh, we are going to be talking about battery chargers this week. We usually have 24 volts, 36 volts, perhaps 48 volts, or the regular 12 volts DC battery chargers on board an industry. But this week we are specifically talking about BCN1404 Sailor's battery charger. This charger, simplicity at its peak and easy to troubleshoot, as most times you see the fuse is usually behind the air filter, and also it has the regular automatic and manual range knob and the volt meter, including the amp meter. All are so visible in this particular type of charger. And whatever battery chargers you have, it is quite important as an electrician or an engineer on board to regularly check your batteries on a weekly, if not daily basis. I check for these chargers, irrespective of their various positions, to try and know what's up with them. So we came along, we saw this charger, and I noticed here that this charger was having 30, about 35, 32, between the range of 32 to 25 volts to 40 volt output. So, it's probably possible that the battery has been disconnected, but devoid of if the battery is intact and particularly connected, then I don't think the battery is the issue. Then we gotta check the charger. Most times also the charger meter, that the VDC meters, can actually be faulty. So another thing we are observing is that our air filter, it's kind of dirty because the foil that we placed in between to trap these airs, you can see it's very black. So it's quite possible also it's actually displaying the voltage. Let's see if it's the same thing up there. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah, coming towards the battery, I can notice that the battery, like we said, it's same. It's 39 voltage, which is very much on the high side up there. So you can see that's that. So the battery is not actually the problem, but the charger is bringing too much voltage, the output, while charging. We did some battery some tester. The fuse, we tested the fuse and replaced the one that we think was bad. The air filter was changed for proper air ventilation, and that was that. So after doing that, we just put on back the screws and on the charger back. Yeah, for now it looks good. You can see the charger is towards the 25 range volts, and the amp is moving. It's moving a little bit towards 28 volts because from the meter down here, we'll have to also cross check from where the battery is. But for me, 28 volts for 24 volts, this battery charger, it's still okay. At least it's better than the 38 and the 40 volts. It's going to affect the battery. Right now you see it has dropped to about 25 point something volts, which is cool. So up there you can see it is T25.8 volts at the bridge. So the battery location all good. So you can see is that difficult and it's that simple, but avoidance of damage of our battery is as simple as doing a routine check. So you can see the advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video. One love.